Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Thank you all for stopping by, and I do really appreciate you all. Today, from the title, we are making succulent, juicy, moist, and tastiest grilled tilapia. Wow! I have taken my time to create this one-of-a-kind recipe for you guys, and I hope after watching this video, you'll be inspired to try it as well. You'll be amazed how this tilapia literally melts in the mouth. Let's get started. My tilapia is washed and clean. And now these are my aromatic ingredients. I have my bell peppers, the red, yellow, and green bell peppers. I have my ginger. I have my 3 cloves of garlic. I have my scotch bonnet pepper. I have my spring onions. I have my shallots, and I have my green peppers. Guys, I've already washed them, but they are not thoroughly cleaned, all right? So you're going to do the rest of the cleaning here, and also I'll cut them as well. These are the oils I'm using: avocado oil and then extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Now I've got my bowl ready. I'm going to pour in the oils. First, my extra virgin olive oil. As I said, use any oil of your choice. Yes. I'm spraying some of the extra virgin olive oil in the bowl. I'm done with it. And I'm going to also pour some of the avocado oil in the bowl as well. I love the flavor, the smell, and then the aroma of these two oils. That's why I'm using it for this recipe. I want it to be so flavorful. It's time for us to cut all of our vegetables, and I'm starting with the yellow bell peppers. You can leave the seed like that inside or take them out. In this video, I decided to take the seeds out, but sometimes I leave the seed in. All you have to do is to just blend it nice and smooth. Okay? If you are inspired by this video so far, give a girl a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you are new to support your girl. Okay? So cut them up into any shape that you prefer. This is what I'm going for. And yes, guys, today we are not taking much time, just going straight away to finish this video. As usual, I washed all these vegetables with lemon, salt, and vinegar. What I did was to soak them in a bowl for 5 to 10 minutes. I allowed it to sit for all these times, and then the water was able to release all the dirt from the vegetables. With the ginger, if you want to scrape the skin, that's fine. But if you also want to leave the ginger in the water for the water to soak out all the dirt and the sandy particles like I did, is also fine. Now I'm cutting up the garlic. Very soon we should be done with the cutting of our vegetables. Make it a point to have fun doing this, okay? Just cut the vegetables into any shape of your choice. Just have fun at this point. We are all done with the garlic at this moment, and now we are going straight to cut our ginger. Yes, guys, these are our aromatic, and they are going to come together, bring all their flavors out to make our tilapia sumptuous. Wow, I cannot wait. These are all natural, medicinal, aromatic, and they don't leave my kitchen. I don't go without them. They are always there in my stews, in my soups. Wow. You see, I'm cutting the ginger through the veins, and yes, I'm done with the ginger, and I'm going straight ahead to cut my scotch bonnet pepper because I want some heat in the tilapia, guys. But if you don't want heat or you don't want it spicy, don't add it. Of course, don't add it. All right. And this is also my green pepper. Allowed me more heat, and I love the flavors that I'm bringing together to make this tilapia on point. So yes, I'm now on my spring onion. We are almost done, guys. We are almost done with the cutting of our vegetables. Cut them into any shape of your choice and have fun. We are all done with the spring onion. And lastly, we are going to cut our shallots. You can also use the white onion if that's what is available to you. Okay? Mmm. Wow. They smell good. They smell good even in their raw states. Wow. I'm going to give it a good stir to combine these vegetables. Mmm. I love the aroma already. Wow. I'm impressed. Yes, I'm impressed. It's now time to transfer the vegetables into this bowl. We are transferring our aromatics into this beautiful white rectangular dish. It smells so good. This aroma is so fresh, it's so natural, and I love this recipe, guys. You cannot skip this recipe. Try it, okay, and bring me the feedback. Now I'm adding more natural seasonings because I love me natural seasonings. I'm also going to spray some more virgin olive oil on top to make it look glossy and also to bring more olive flavor to my aromatics. Wow. It's going into the oven and it should be back very soon. Wow, it's back, and can you see that? This is magical. The aroma is so fresh, it's so natural, and the house is heavenly. As I always say, my house is heavenly. I love it. And guys, I'm going to spray more virgin olive oil on top, put it back into the oven, and it should be back again in few minutes. Wow, can you see how rich and appealing it looks? Wow, this is so beautiful and it smells good. It's time for us to blend our aromatics, and guys, we are almost there. Okay, we're almost at the end of the video, so keep watching till the end and I'm sure you will love it. Lovely people, so when you get to this point, make sure that your vegetable is cooled down before you put them in your blender, because when you don't do that and you blend them in their hot state, you crack your blender, and if not, you even break your blender. So make sure it's cooled down before you transfer them in your blender. Okay, so I'm not trying to use water in this recipe. All I'm doing is only adding more oil. So I've added more oil to my vegetables in order for the blender to blend it effortlessly. Okay, so use oil instead of water. It's blending nice and smooth, and it's all done. Good. It's all done. Now that's our tilapia back again. It looks so fresh and it's ready to be used. I'm going to transfer the aromatic ingredients in this plate, and I'll add some more natural seasonings. Okay, use any seasoning of your choice. This is my fish seasoning, all purpose seasoning, Maggi cube, and now some salt to taste. I'm going to mix them properly. Yes, take your time, gently and patiently combine all of that nicely. I'm adding more oil because I want to oven fry and grill my tilapia at the same time. Again, try and mix it properly with the rest of the vegetables, mixed vegetables. Tilapia is so fresh, it's so juicy. So I am diagonally cutting into this tilapia 3 times on one side. You can as well cut them on both sides. Okay, so I'll do the same thing on the other tilapia. All right. Wow, look at that. And I hope you are still enjoying this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment and share to your friends and families. Okay, so once we are done, we're going to fill up the salad and also inside the tilapia with our aromatic vegetables. Wow. You cut it to the bones, and that's what I've done exactly. It's time to fill it up and to coat it as well with our aromatic ingredients. Make sure to put some aromatics in the cut area as well. Look at that. Yes. Wow. I cannot wait, guys. It's already so appetizing. It's so mouth-watering and it smells so good. Guys, I'm going to leave the rest of the aromatic for later, okay? Now we are all done. I wish I could have let it stay for like 5 minutes in the fridge for it to marinate. But since there is no time, straight away I'm going to grill it. But if you have the time, let the fish stay for 5 minutes in your fridge, let it marinate and then grill it. Then you see a big difference, okay? It's time for us to grill our tasty tilapia. And guys, I've already chopped some beautiful, nutritious vegetables on the tray, and they are shallot, green peppers, carrots, and cabbage. The white cabbage, okay? Wow, it's so heavy and aromatic as well. My oven is preheating, so straight away I'll go and put it in the oven and let it grill and fry at the same time. The reason why I have these vegetables on my tray is that I love me more veggies when I'm eating banku with tilapia, okay? This aromatic vegetable mixture on the tilapia will also drip on the vegetables, and guys, my veggies will also be tasty as well. Wow. The oil will also drip on the vegetables, and guys, just imagine it. Tasty tilapia plus tasty vegetables. It's back from the oven in about 10 minutes, and yes, it's looking good. So far so good. It's so juicy, it's so moist, it's so tasty. The aroma is so good, but be careful you don't break it. Be careful you don't break it, okay? Just gently turn it over and then use the remaining aromatic mixture, yeah, to also coat the other side, just as I'm doing. Wow, so heavily, it's so tasty, it's so on point. The veggies is also smelling aromatically good, and my mouth is already watery. Spray some more oil on top of the tilapia for it to look fresh, beautiful, and glossy, okay? It's going back into the oven and it should be back very soon. It's back again, and guys, this time we are all done. This is how I make my juicy, moist, succulent, tastiest, delicious grilled fried tilapia. I'm so much impressed with the results, and guys, I hope you are inspired. It's time for tasting. Yes, it's time for tasting. Where are your plates? Where are your plates? Don't worry, okay? I'll do the tasting for you, okay? So all you have to do is get to the kitchen, grab you some vegetables, get some tilapia, and follow my recipe. You can as well recreate them. Use any veggies of your choice. Use any seasoning of your choice. and bring me their feedback. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I hope you will come again next time to watch more videos. If you are new, subscribe for more appetizing recipes. All right, take your time this time on again, because the tilapia is so juicy, it's so moist. When you put this in your mouth, guys, it just melts like that. It melts like that down your throat like that. It's so tasty. It's so tasty. Try it, try it, try it. Okay, try it, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button as well and join this beautiful family. See you all again in my next video. Until then, take care of yourselves and stay blessed. Bye bye. Mwah. Food is served. Ubediana. Bye bye. Mwah.